Hello unique individuals, it's Ari and Tony back with another video. I wanted to make a quick video on just how to revamp your slick back if you're just tired of just putting your hair in a bun. And if you don't know what a slick back is, it's just when you slick your hair back with either maybe like a gel, mousse, water, whatever you can do to basically flatten your hair like this. I'm not gonna do the slick back on camera because I feel like we all know what that is. This is just kind of a video just of me just showing you guys what I like to do for like an alternative way to style my slick back instead of just always putting it in a bun. And you could do this on curly and straight hair. And usually when I slick my hair back, whether it be curly or straight, I'm probably to the point where I'm almost going to wash my hair. So basically you would just want to kind of comb your ponytail, because usually when you put your hair in a bun, you have a ponytail first. We all know what a claw clip is. It looks like this. Split your hair into like this. You just kind of like want to twist like you're twisting your hair, or doing like a twist out. Get down to the ends, and at this part, if you want, you could do a rubber band, but it will probably help you out a little bit more when you probably secure it. So right now, this is how we're looking. Right now, we're looking like this, and this is already looking super cute, and then kind of tucking it. I'm gonna grab the claw clip that I showed earlier. We're just gonna secure it. And if you want, you can put the claw clip down. I think I might put it down like a little lower. This is what we're looking like right now. And this hairstyle is gonna probably look a little different just depending on if your hair is straight or curly. So I hope to see you guys in the next one. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.